you connect your wallet. So now let's connect the wallet. You click on connect wallet, then you actually choose your MetaMask. Then click on your MetaMask. So you can actually put in your security password. Then let's connect the wallet. So the wallet is actually connecting now. You will actually find my referral code, as you can see here. So you put my referral code here. So right now I'll put my upline referral code. So you actually get my referral code from this post or the description of this video if you're watching it on YouTube. But if you're in my Telegram group or my WhatsApp group, you will definitely find the code inside the group. So that is my referral code. You have to put it in there and then wait for it to load. So now this is the next page you're going to have. What you need to do here is just to click on this start mode. So come here to click on your start mode. If you're actually new to my channel, so this is the point where you actually like this video, comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can always get notifications when I drop videos on how to make money online or how to make money with cryptocurrencies like this. So as you can see, after clicking on that start, it's already processing, and then it takes me to this page again. So here I have to just click on confirm. So make sure you follow this video step by step, and then you actually get everything. So as you can see here, this particular airdrop has started running properly now. So you can try as much as possible to reach 50 hours so that you can get an automatic mining for yourself. So now let's explore on this project. Come to this part, come to this referral part here. So as you can see, there are some tier levels here that you can use to upgrade. So the more the referral you get, the more the levels you are going to achieve. So as you can see here, so these are the levels, as you can see here. So this is tier 0, tier 1, tier 2. So depending on the amount of referral you get, that depends on the amount of boosting you are going to get. So immediately you register, also make sure you share with your friends also, so that everybody can also benefit from this project. So this project is similar to the time of grass. So if you check the referrals that you have currently, you'll see that some of them will be added as pending. When they actually qualify is when they get to 50 hours. That is when they will now be as a qualified referrer under your referral link. Hope you understand that. Let me repeat it. So I'm saying that if you have some referral immediately, they are going to show here, but they will be qualified as a normal referral when they actually complete 50 hours of working on this project. So as you know, Edge is coming very soon. Make sure you refer your friends and make sure you complete your 50 hours or more. So don't stop working, as you can see here. So as the thing is working, as you can see, these numbers are increasing. So I don't know if we are mining the official Edge token yet, or this is actually just a point that will be converted to Edge token later as TGE, and you actually will be given the privilege to actually sell your Edge token into USDT to actually cash out your bank account or anyhow you wish. So if you actually have any question about this explanation, you can actually drop your comments or your question in the comment section. So I will actually try as much as possible to answer every question that is on this comment section. So this is how we're going to end this explanation for today. Make sure to like this video, share with your friend, and also subscribe to my channel. So see you on the next video.